form for the deep cultural ceremony.
Start every program. I invite all the kids to to chant the Guru Vandana.
ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
I call upon the General Secretary of NLA, Sujata ji, to give the welcome speech.
Thank you, MC. Our patron Pradeep ji, Asha ji, Navbharat executive members, parents and teachers, we are happy to welcome for grand finale of 2025 World Shiva. This past month, whole month, they learned some many things, made friends, had lot of memories, lot of funs together. Thank you Ananda Nilayam for giving these premises to conduct a successful World Shiva 2025. Though we come to end, but still we are taking back home with lots of memory. Thank you to parents and teacher for this love and support. Over to you, MC.
Thank you, Sujata ji. Now I call up on Niranjani and Nidhi to perform the Swagat Geetam, also known as the welcome song.
One more mic is there. There's one.
प्रतिभावैर्व्याहरामा स्वागतं शुभवन्दनं. प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामा स्वागतं शुभवन्दनं. शब्दपुष्पैराचरामा शब्दं शुभवन्दनं. स्वागतं शुभवन्दनं श्रीमतां शुभनन्दनं. स्वागतं शुभवन्दनं
श्रीमतामभिनन्दनं.
स्वागतं शुभवन्दनं श्रीमतां शुभवन्दनं.
परिचय
धन्यवाद.
परिचय संस्कृतेन.
That was in Sanskrit. Good job, guys. Thank you so much. And now it's time to call upon a very special person, one of the founders of Navbharat, our patron Pradeep ji. Pradeep ji, please address the gathering.
Jai Shri Ram. I think our President ji has come. He's in the premises. So I'll start my speech. Jai Shri Ram आप सभी को. You see, we started this Bal Shivir during the pandemic in the year 2020. We were simply sitting at home. We were thinking that we should do something because everybody was inside, in the rooms. Children will watch into the YouTube and all those things. So we thought that why don't we have an online classes. Like that, we started this initiative. And now we are almost like 6 years, 5 years completed. This is the 2025. Thanks for the support that you guys have given to us, because it really helps us to build more these kind of things. I think you might have experienced something better from your children. They might be, chanting some Sanskrit shlokas or chanting some divine shlokas. This is something that we thought in ourselves, that we want to give our culture into the younger generations. When we were small, our parents were, teaching us some, in Malayalam we say, prarthana in the evenings. We, at home, we used to get the deepam, and we put the deepam in front of the house, and we sit together, all the siblings, and we do the namams. Those have been gone. Nowadays nobody does it, but even in Kerala, some of the traditional houses and some of the houses they do still. So what we thought is that we want to inculcate those culture into our children. Otherwise what happens is they become big and they will not even know what is Sanatana Dharma. Because we, as my daughter, we have also kids, I have a son and I have a daughter. We feel ourselves a little bit afraid, when she goes into, after 12th, she leaves the clutches of their parents and go into the world where Sanatana Dharma is seen as something evil, even in India. Or if you go to any of the European world, they criticize like anything. I don't know why. We haven't done anything wrong, but still they criticize. You know why? Because we've been ruled by 500 years by one sect and 200 years by another sect. Still, we are the majority in Bharat. Even now, we are say around 120 crores. Even though after having so bad memories in our history, still we are strong. Because we have the culture with us, we have that strength. But what happens, even if you can see during the 60, 70 years of our independence, in these 60, 70 years, we have lost huge things. Even though in 500, 200 years of two different rules, we have not lost. But now these 60, 70 years, we have lost a lot. So that is the reason we thought we will inculcate those culture into our younger generation, so that when they become big, they also will have children, they will teach something like this to them, so that it continues in the same manner. So another, say around 100, 200, 300 years, let them continue like this. And one more thing to our NLA team, I would request you all to look into something that our ladies can learn. Especially nowadays we are having artificial intelligence. Not all ladies are well versed in computers, right? So I think you might start with a small Excel programs or a PowerPoint presentation program, how to make a poster. Maybe we have a lot of young IT talents in our group, and then later you can go into the artificial intelligence. So these are some of the things that I would request you to look into it, delve into it. You have, in Ananda Nilayam, we have a lot of IT professionals. We can take the help of it. Make sure that these things are for our Navbharat members. And those who are our members, I think it's well and good. Those who are not our members, I would request you to take a membership of Navbharat or Ananda Nilayam. This premises is called Ananda Nilayam. Alright, where the Bhagavan Venkateshwara Swami resides here. We have Hanumanji and we have Garudji. Garudji is over there, Hanumanji is here. So whichever part that you are belonging to, whichever temple that you have near your home, I would request you all to put some effort and help those temples. I am not talking about this temple. Back in India, whichever temples, monthly do some contributions so that our dharma or Sanatana Dharma can move forward. Because see, all the big temples are doing well. But beside your home, there is a small temple that is not doing well. So someone like us has to go into it, do something, contribute, make a group, contribute something in a monthly basis, do something so that the power of the Bhagwan can come back into that temple. So all these temples that we built or were built are with Pran Pratishtha. That means the murtis in those temples have Pran. If you don't give them food, as you in an individual, you are also having food every day. You do snan, you do everything, you wear a dress and everything, and you are eating all the 3 times. The same thing has to happen to Bhagwan also, because he is like us. So this is some of the small requests. Thank you very much for showing me the timing. Dhanyavad. I'll stop like this. Thanks. Our young MCs, good work.
Thank you for the speech. As is known by Navkara tradition, we will now be inviting the EXCOM members to begin this wonderful occasion with the Prajwalan. And teachers.
We request our President, Shri Amarjit Singh Ji, where is our Sports Assistant Secretary from the Central EXCOM, Kini Ji. We request Ajay Ji from our EXCOM, please. I request all the teachers, Amit Ji, the Sports Secretary, Bharat Group, please come with your little one. The teachers, Chitra Ji, Rashmi Ji, the young teachers, Akshita, Simran and Himanshu, please. NLA EXCOM, Mamta Ji. NLA EXCOM, Mamta Ji. From Tamil EXCOM, Ramakrishnan Ji.
Not that long.
Pradeep Ji.
Dubai. नहीं आप पहले कर ले
Ritesh Ji. Matchbox is with us.
मैथ बॉक्स इधर है भाई साहब
Ritesh Ji.
विजुअल है वो सिंगिंग सॉन्ग All the teachers hold it. आप लोग कर ले बेटा रितेश जी एक क्लास में कर लेंगे रितेश जी इधर Please come, we'll take a photo. अजय जी अजय ओके हम लोग ऊपर चढ़ते लेडीज बॉटम हम लोग ऊपर आते हैं
उधर से एसी बंद करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, leave it. We'll keep that aside. Now we'll just leave it aside. Yes.
Thank you, EXCOM members and teachers. Now I would like to invite the President of Navbaz Association, Shri Amarjit Singh Ji, to come up on stage to give the President's speech.
धन्यवाद. आप सबको इस बाल शुगर के जो हम लोगों का समापन हो रहा है अभी समापन समारोह, मगर इसकी शुरुआत बहुत ही अच्छी, बहुत ही सुंदर और अच्छे विचार के साथ शुरू हुआ था. ये मेरे ख्याल अपना सेकंड है, थर्ड और हर एक बार हम लोग नोटिस कर रहे हैं कि पहले से ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है और इस बार भी बहुत अच्छा रहा. बच्चों का उत्साह देखकर मालूम होता है, प्रतीत होता है, उनमें चेंजेस देखे होंगे, आप लोगों ने भी देखे होंगे जो परिवारजन है. और बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त न लेता हुआ प्रदीप जी ने आपको सब अच्छी तरह से विस्तार से समझाया ही है. धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा आप लोगों का, परिवार वालों का, जिन्होंने बच्चे हमारे भरोसे हमारे पास छोड़े. और धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा टीचर्स का, जिन्होंने हमको अच्छा ज्ञान दिया. और चेंजेस ऑफ कोर्स आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे. अगर कुछ स्पेशल हम लोग आपका कोई फीडबैक है, आप लोग चाहते हो कि और अच्छा किया जा सकता है, तो निसंकोच कभी भी आप हमारे किसी भी टीचर्स के माध्यम से, प्रदीप जी के माध्यम से, नहीं तो आशा जी के माध्यम से ये बात अपनी रख सकते हैं. और हम लोग चाहेंगे कि हमारा जो ये कार्यक्रम है ये अच्छे से अच्छा होता रहे. और बहुत सारा टाइम ना लेते हुए धन्यवाद आप सबका, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. नमस्कार.
Thank you so much for the kind words.
Now it's time to invite another very important person who has played a pivotal role in the success of the Navbaz Bal Shivar 2025. Please welcome our coordinator, Ms. Ruchi Dubey.
Thank you, Himansh. Thank you, kids. So I'm once again back. As I love stage and the mic. Okay, so regarding Bal Shivar 25, this is the third year which we have successfully completed, and our motive is, like, there will be many summer camps in the island. You must have noticed it. But what concept or what motives we are taking, as Pradeep shared too also, that we need to inculcate our culture in our children. That's what importance Navbaz Bal Shivar gives to children. How to groom in our culture, how to stay connected in roots. And that was, though it was a very short period, but we have tried our best to make that difference. And I hopefully you can see that there was a lovely period of time, 1 month, I don't know how it gone. Actually, I must say, flying with the teachers, with the children, as well as it was not only about the small children, but grooming our youngsters to be the upcoming leaders. Yes, here we have very talented teachers, the young teachers who were groomed to take upon the charge, to take upon the responsibility, and they had really performed very well, which you can see, because we were just a supporting stand behind them, and we have asked our young children to move on to take that leadership. And the result is all yours, and you can see, as well as if you can see the display on the right side, all work done by children. We were just guiding, and however they were doing, we were just giving instructions because we wanted to see them doing. And I know you will be more happy, even if it is ada teda ulta sida, but you'll be happy because it's your child work, and that's what we wanted to give you. We don't want it to present something professional, something like that. Even you see the badges. Each child has made their own badge. They are proudly wearing today. Yes, they have done that. Only guiding them, come on, hold this way. So that was a very interesting period where they have so many questions, they have queries, why like this, why like that, and hopefully all were cleared, and they were very happy because the end product was done by them, so they were very happy. And the question was every day asked to me, teacher, why you not giving me? I want to take home and show to the parents. So I told them on grand finale we will give. So with this display, I hope you all have gone through it and like it. And with this, I won't take much time and hand over the mics to the youngsters. Come on. I just also wanted to introduce to them. This is Simrat Kaur. Please be on the stage. Akshita Deep and Himanshu Ajay Kumar. Himanshu is with us from the first Bal Shiva. It's his first year as a teacher. And Akshita also is with us from the first Bal Shiva and has completed 3 years as Bal Shiva teacher. And this is our new teacher. This is the first year of Simrat. And I would like, can I ask your experience? So I'll move on to the senior teacher. Okay, Himanshu, how did you feel these 3 years and especially this year?
It was a very good experience. It's so much fun with those kids and looking forward to the next year as well.
Okay, that's great. So he was the one, wherever we had to handle any difficult part, we used to call Himanshu sir, please take care. And we used to move aside. So that was like very strong teacher for us. Thank you so much for being with us, Himanshu. Akshita.
I like this a lot. It's really fun. The kids are always amazing, and also looking forward for more years.
Yes, yes. So she used to be like guide and control the children, and children used to be like, she was like a honeycomb where all bees are around. So children were around Akshita every time, Akshita Didi. And the new teacher, this was their first experience with kids in Bal Shiva 25. How was it?
Honestly, I wasn't sure how it was going to be because it's my first year. But seeing all these chaotic children just made me feel like this is a nice new family, and spending time with them was very fun, and I really appreciate them all.
Thank you so much. So with this, I'll hand them the mic back and the stage is all yours. Thank you so much, kids.
Thank you so much for that.
Now I call the Bal Shiva students to come and perform the patriotic song that we dedicate to our lovely nation. Lakshmi ma'am has helped the students learn this in a very short span of just 2 hours. So please thank her.
Because she was away. Where is you might